Did you want to start making money on Fiverr online? In order to start, you must have a seller account. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your own Fiverr account from start to the end so that you can post your gig, and when people buy that gig, you will then make money. If you are interested on how you can set up your own Fiverr accounts, make sure that you watch this video to the end. So let's get started. Right now, guys, I'm here with my PC. All you need to do is to go tap the link in the video section to access this website. As you can see here, you only need to tap on become a seller because you want to create a Fiverr account and post your gig to make money online. Then tap on become a seller. Then you'll be forwarded to the next page. Here is the next page. What you have to do is tap on join. As you can see here, once you simply tap on join, you can register with your Facebook account, Gmail account, or Apple ID. So I'm going to register with Gmail account. I'm going to inform my Gmail account, then tap on continue. Create a username and password. As you can see here, make sure that your username contains a block character, or you can use character. Then create a password. That's depending on how you can create it. Then tap on join. As you can see here, we are doing it. You'll be seeing a link to verify. All you need to do is tap a link. As you can see here with my mobile and mobile, then I'll be tapping this link to activate my account. You must do it before you start using your Fiverr account. As you can see here, my account is activated. Let me go into my PC right now. Then I will be quick a refresh so that I can see if my account have been activated. Look at this carefully. Did not already disappear. So this is my main dashboard of Fiverr account. All you need to do, tap on become a seller. As you can see here, tap on become a seller. Then now you have to set up your profile, ready to start selling on Fiverr. Here is a breakdown by tapping on continue. As you can see here, once you make a successful Fiverr profile, there are some options you need to follow which you can be read carefully. You should avoid duplicate files. You should use your legal name. You should use all your original full details. By tapping on continue, you'll be forwarded to the personal information page where you input your full name. Look at this carefully. Right now I'm going to input just a name because I already have a Fiverr account. Then profile picture, where you have to upload any picture of your choice. You can choose it. Then description about yourself. You can easily add a description about your business. Look at this carefully. My profile picture has been uploaded. Then description, let me write it in a short. So immediately after you finish, then languages, you can choose the languages. As you can see, you can leave it as a default, but right now I'm going to choose English. Then add and continue. Skills, you're going to add its skills, for example, content marketing, email marketing, digital marketing, video marketing, social media marketing, marketing strategy. You can choose any skills you have. Then skills, for example, I'm a YouTube CEO. Let me say I'm a video editor. I can design a website. I can have a video editing. I can say intermediate or expert or just a beginner. But right now on the video editing, I'm intermediate. I'm not yet fully expert. Look at this carefully. You can choose it and add. And you can also add new one. For example, let me add new one. Then choose your professional skills. Look at this carefully. YouTube CEO, then expert, then add. Look at this carefully. Then the next one is education. You can choose your education and choose your location, destination, country. Then the next one is you can skip a website if you have a website. Then application, and also you can select a year from year you start to year you are currently. Then the next one is tap on continue and verify your phone number. You need to add your phone number. Look at this carefully. And put your phone number without using your country code because it will be automatically come with your country, and the one-time password will be sent into your mobile number. Once you successfully done that, tap on continue. Look at this carefully. And add a security questions. I highly recommended this so that you can not forget. If you forgot your account, you can easily add a security questions. Look at this carefully. Then tap on finish. Look at this carefully. So from this step, you already successfully set up your profile on Fiverr. So on the next video, I'll be showing you exactly on how you can create your post gig and how you can make money with it. Thank you so much. Do have a nice day.